The effects of Hurricane Sandy are being felt along Cape Cod's north shore in areas like Wharf Lane and Yarmouthport, where Tom Almer, who lives nearby, was one of several people to come out to see the storm. Almer said the water had already risen quite a bit since he was out earlier in the morning, and that a post that was usually visible had disappeared beneath the waves. As we took a ride along Route 6A, President Barack Obama addressed the nation about the storm.
Transportation is going to be tied up for a long time, and probably the most significant impact for a lot of people, in addition to flooding, is going to be getting power back on. We anticipate that there are going to be a lot of trees down, a lot of water, and despite the fact that the power companies are working very closely with their various state officials and local officials to make sure that they are bringing in as many assets as possible and getting those ready in preparation for the storm. The fact is that a lot of these emergency crews are not going to be able to get into position to start restoring power until some of these winds have died down.
At Sandy Neck, park manager Nina Coleman said the first high tide of the day had come right up to the dunes. It had not caused major erosion or damage, but there were still several high tides to go through before the storm peters out, she said.